If you've ever wondered what is included in a tech pack for clothing, this is the video. I'll walk you through every single section using a real example so you know exactly what your manufacturer needs to make your garment. A complete tech pack has 9 parts. Here they are: basic product specs, components, close-up shots, flat sketches, print files, technical sketches, labels and tags, and package design. Let's go through the ones that matter most. Basic product specs is the heart of it. 6 cards. Product information, colors and patterns, materials detected, product dimensions, construction details, and quality indicators. This is the measurements, the fabric, and the build instructions, all in one place. Flat sketches are the technical drawings, front, back, and side, that show the garment without any styling. Components and close-ups zoom into the details: collars, cuffs, seams. This is how a factory reads your design. Then there's the bill of materials. Every fabric, trim, and thread, labels and tags, and packaging instructions. These are the details that decide cost and quality. Miss them, and you get surprises in production. So that's what's included in a tech pack: specs, measurements, flats, BOM, labels, and packaging. The good news? You don't have to build all of this by hand. Genpire generates the whole thing from one sentence. Try it at genpire.com.